Okay. So, Kadom, a very good evening, Karbi Anglong. I'm very happy that today we have started Ziagnosis here with respected Mr. Augustine Pramsa sir and Professor Lily I ma'am. I'm very happy that I have got them as my partner to start here to work in the health sector and in the education sector also. First of all, let me tell about health sector. We have started here Ziagnosis. This is a branch which we brought here like from Delhi. So mainly we have started in Delhi with the alumni of AIMS, Doctor Pathologist of AIMS, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, myself Dr. Jaya Bhattacharya. Myself I have done my PhD in HR, and Dr. Shashwati Hazarika is there. We both are developing Northeast Ziagnosis. So our lab, we are aiming not only in providing a very good service in health sector, but also we want to do social service also. So Mr. Augustine Pramsa sir is the best person in social work. He is already a social worker. Madam is also there. So we hope we'll do the best here. But obviously we want all the doctors and the lab technicians also to support us. All the way from Guwahati, I'm a little tired, so might be I won't be able to say the best, but still I'm trying to tell the best. Okay, so any query, anyone has any query? I promise that we'll provide the best health service. Along with that, we will also provide, if required, doctors from AIMS. We will provide that service also, so that the loopholes what is there in here in this health service, so that we can just cover it up, so that people don't suffer anymore in the health sector. Yeah, along with the doctors over here, the present here, all the doctors, along with them, with the AIMS doctor, we can provide more services, better services. So this is about the health sector, about Ziagnosis. So hopefully everyone will cooperate with us. Thank you so much. Lab technicians, proper pathologist is already there with us, so we have other services also. The proper equipments are there with us, so I think that will suffice. It will provide all the services very nicely.
Tarik ngarkep nadak nili building mate anak dia sekolah building arum ni tum pinila so kangpu nangkok athege lalu nadak nili methang mata nili 2012 pen nili kesu lapen awi pini kacetes penangan kisung do la sinili mathalodak Karbianglong arah tum penangan ki sungdu lawi pini kacetes lahai la sinili nut bahinia doktor pen advice and see mate pinila tok biasang ho la pen la Guwahati asor tu pen itum celang si nili methang si nili dam si nili agreement dam si tum partnership si dak keklen la si Karbianglong arah pan ki Joike ji po pan si nili la so a left kangpu nili ke doktor kali lapen nili lahaya bangkelaan ketek ula puta kali bonta nili Karbianglong arah aphan jundu kesu penangan kesu nili tegeng lolo nili betang mata nili kidney patient lahaya blood cetes nai puta nili Guwahati mate Chennai ang sidam nang lapen Delhi ang sinang nang bonta lahai ki Joike ji po phan si nili methang ma si nili insteven si nili methang ma si dak partnership kuri si nili pini la support wan iglong lo la si Karbianglong arah doan aphan ta nili chuning ri lo dak la so building long nang ripen mesen awi ke cetes mate mesen a report kelongji la so pan sinang itong pan nili pachini lo anen lo
media korte tum an phanta khardom phaji gelo la nili tum kangpu ke ladak mane blood test punoi ajat ason ke test kelilo hem longle ke dok ustame VCPG damun e ustame phone angkolik raita choklo nili tum so blood collect po jongsi 2 baji aprang arni blood collect lote lake so arni mata result longulo jongse ako arni kangsam 2 baji pen aphilote lake next arni lo kelongpo asi awar sai bangke non kitching si ako ke penangana discount long ponji latang det pen ladak pen aku black hour sai mane jeneba package sitame nangi pustame hadi ladak mane kompon po jeneba la diabetes sake sotum latungke achiklo jonting ba hopta tim pustame pane 1000 por sitame hadi nilitum non starting pen ke suri si pen sipang chengpo lake chiklo jon thoman phanlo son thak thak si belek package ta non ulai pompo nilitum labang mola media hen pen sitame pachini pon thui bompo
Kiri semua dari angkan pun si paru-paru berapa?
non aku nilitum la home service tadi pike ladak pen berla anwelang ladak di fu tu berla angke lapu lambeng road side bangke PWD an ladak bangke manela phone contact ta chok direct la kalite ki book phan bang non IF pasalamik bom loy
Itu lah phone call tu lah anytime macam apa?
la bangke nilitum apor non ko ke thik ke de lang seta bisikoi ke 1 baji tu 2 baji angbo soporote mane hemlong sitame collect dampo temenela dap 8 baji tu 12 baji an ke ladak duty hours to kokko la so age bang bong lo la home service tong ke dami bangke
Lada kita yang dia tuh.
oh la bangke jongsi emergency pi pude la bangke nilitum belek hours sai pen sitame la bangke enam dat po stala angkang ke la lo berla tu ku PWD an
Around itu.
oh dagang